been an accident in the city of Cimahi, where a motorbike rider riding a motorbike from the right and a motorist driving a car with a lack of focus suddenly passed each other from a different direction and a collision occurred. The motorbike rider fell and became unconscious. The victim's wife said that her husband was not bleeding, but he immediately became unconscious. After arriving at the hospital, the patient wife was very worried about her husband's condition.
Sir, my husband had an accident and was unconscious.
Okay, ma'am, calm down. I will do an examination on your husband.
Okay, sir.
Emergency can happen anywhere, so it's important to know how to provide basic life support care. As you approach the scene of an emergency, check your surroundings to ensure that they are safe and only kneel next to the victim and then pat the victim on the shoulders and throat. Are you okay? If the victim is unresponsive and you are alone, call for help and check the breathing. Open the victim airway, use the head tilt and chin lift technique. Press the forehead with one hand while pulling the chin up. With the other hand, gently tilt the head back when checking breathing. Listen for breathing sound. Feel the breath on your chest and see if the victim chest, wrist and fall. This is what it looks like. Listen and feel approach. To check breathing, should take no more than 10 seconds. Breathing in considered normal. If the victim takes at least to normal, breathe with him 10 seconds. If the victim is not breathing and there are other issues, ask him to call an ambulance. If you are alone, call your own emergency medical personnel. We give you instruction on how to perform cardiopulmonary resuscitation. Place the victim in a supine position or face up on a firm flat surface. Kneel on the victim's side. Place one hand on top of the other and interlace your fingers. Place the heel of your hand in the center of the victim's chest and the bottom of the sternum. Position the shoulder directly above the hand. Keep the arm straight and lock the elbow. Squeeze the chest 30 times to a depth of 5 to 6 centimeters. Then allow full chest equals chest compression throughout distantly and fast down and a rate of 2 times per second. You can even count if it helps. 30 chest compression followed by 2 ventilation. To provide ventilation, tilt the victim's head back and close the nose. Take a normal breath and flow into the victim's mouth by attention for the chest to return to its normal position while taking another breath. Repeat this squeeze, minims, inter, and chest compressions last no more than 5 seconds. Alternate flirtation, chest compression, and 2 ventilation until help arrives. If there are other requests, we'll change position every 2 to the minutes because administering CPR is tiring and becomes less effective when sensing of the victim regaining consciousness, such as breathing, jogging, or moving deliberately. Stop CPR and place the victim in the recovering position.